How to change a location on Roblox account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll guide you on altering the location linked to your Roblox account. So stick around the very end. Firstly, you have to launch the Roblox application on your device or simply access the website from the Google Chrome web browser. Ensure that you're logged into your specific account, and once you're on the homepage, access the three-dot menu if you're using the application, or simply go ahead and click on the settings icon in the top and go to settings using the Google Chrome web browser. Then go to the account info tab. And previously, there was an option to modify your location, but it seems that the Roblox has removed it in the recent update, so it may be available in other regions. But currently, changing my Roblox account's location is not feasible in my region. But rest assured, if Roblox introduces this feature for everyone, we'll keep you informed. So that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.